Welcome back, students. In this class we continue the chapter 10 exercise 10.1 question 2, that is the third problem. The previous class we completed the first two. In this class we are continuing with the third, that is the second question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their age in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find the age of the present age of the Rohan. We will find the present age of the Rohan. So we will see what are the given data. So the data given, we will just assume present age of Rohan B is equal to X year. Next is Rohan's mother's age. Rohan's mother's age is how much? So 26 years, then x plus, then for this Rohan's age is x, then x plus 26 years we have to write. Next, this is the condition given. So after 3 years, what is the age of the, now Rohan's age is equal to how much? X plus 3. This one, x plus 3 years. Then Rohan's mother's age will be what? Add this 3 for this. Will be therefore x plus 26 plus 3 years. Therefore this will become, add these two, then this becomes x plus 29 years. So these are the data given. First we assume this age as x. Then what is the age means? This x plus 26 years is his mother's age. Then after 3 years, the Rohan's age will be x plus 3 and mother's age will be x plus 26 plus 3. Then this is the data given. So how we have to conclude this? So we have to take the product of Rohan and his mother's age. So product given is equal to how much? The product is given as 360. So 360 is given. Now write down the product. X plus 3, this is Rohan's age into Rohan's mother's age into x plus 29 equal to 360. So multiply now, we get x square plus 3x, x into x, x square, x into x, 3x, plus 29 into x is 29x, plus 29 into 3 will become 87, which is equal to 360. Finally, x square plus, add these two, then we get 32x plus 89 minus 360 is equal to 0. Now x square plus 32x, subtract these two, we'll get 273, which is the required equation. It is the required quadratic equation. So this completes the third problem. We move on to the fourth one. So fourth one is a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed has been decreased, means less 8 kilometers, then it would have taken 3 more hours to cover the same distance. We have to find the speed of the train. See, a train will be traveling in a uniform speed at 480 kilometers per kilometers. So in a uniform distance. So the speed becomes less than 8 kilometer per hour. So now what is after the train speed is less, what is this speed of the train? Then will become 3 hours less. Now we have to, when the train is slow, we have to find out the speed of the train to cover the same distance. So now we will see same thing. Assume the speed of the train v is equal to x kilometers per hour. Okay, next is distance traveled by the train. Distance traveled or covered by the train will be how much? By the train equal to 480 kilometers. Now what is now we'll first calculate the time taken for traveling 480 kilometers. So for that we take 480 by x hour. So we have the formula, that is time is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. So this is the formula. Then when next the speed is decreased by 8 kilometer per hour, means the train starts going slow, that is speed has been decreased by 8 kilometer. Then we have to take x minus 8, because we assumed the speed as x. Then less decreased, or we can also write it as less. So x minus 8 kilometers per hour. Then after this, now we have to take time taken for traveling for 480 kilometers is equal to, now 480 by x will become x minus 8, which is equal to 480 by x is equal to 3. Now substitute this one. So 3 hours. So this is the time we have substituted here. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 480, speed is x, and 3 hours is the time. So now this is the formula. Then multiply, cross multiply, we get 480 into x, this one. (480) into x minus, no, we have to, sorry, this equate this one here, which is equal to time. So taking all this, we have to cross multiply. 480 into x and this one into this one. So here time taken to travel, this also we have to consider. Then less, when it is less by 8 kilometers per hour also we have to take. So this one is this, then this is when it is decreased by 8 kilometers, which is equal to 3. So cross multiply these two, then this one 480 into x minus 8 is equal to 3. Then take the LCM. LCM means x into, multiply these two. This is the LCM, x minus 8. Now again we have to cross multiply and simplify. Finally what we get, 480 into x minus this, remove the brackets and multiply. 480x plus 3840 is equal to 3. This 2, 3 into x minus 8. Similarly, after multiplying 3840 is equal to, we get 3x square minus 24x. Now write in the correct equation form, quadratic equation form, minus 24x minus 3840, then just divide by 3. Divide by 3, this one here. If we divide by 3, this expression will get x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0, which is the required quadratic equation. This is the required quadratic equation. So only one thing here is, that is the speed before, this is the normal speed before, that is the uniform speed before, we have to take this expression also, equate it to the expression, that is the speed decreased by 8 km per hour. That will become 480 by x, and this one will be 480 by x minus 8, then which will be equal to 3. Then we have to cross multiply, simplify it, and we'll get back the quadratic equation. So this completes the question 2. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.